Hi, my name is Ephraim Dixon. I'm Chief Curator at Yosemite National Park, and we're here at the Mariposa Museum to take a look at this beautiful artifact. It's a 1929 Dodge Roadster. It's original to the park. In fact, if you look here on the door, you can see the sign. It says here, National Park Service, join our auto caravan. And so through the 1930s, when you arrived at the park in your car, you would get behind the chief naturalist and he would take you on a tour in your car. And you would stop at various stops like the lower falls, get out, have our tour, and then back into your car to go on to the next spot. So this is just one of the rare artifacts here at the Mariposa Museum, and we invite you to come down and take a look at all of the treasures here.